Good morning students. Today we are taking radar and applications. So radar basically stands for radio detection and ranging system. So radar exposure, radio detection and ranging system. It is one of the important application of the communication system. So radar is a communication system. It's one of the important system. Okay. So and it's a and mainly used to sense, detect and locate distance object like aircraft, ships, spacecraft, etc. So okay, so it is a detect and locate the distance object like aircraft, ships, spacecraft, etc. The angle, range or velocity of the object that are the invisible to the human eye can be determined. So some things we cannot able to see. So long distance we cannot able to see. That time the radar we are using we have to find out. Okay. So that purpose we are using. So the radar used electromagnetic waves for the communication. The electromagnetic signal is initially radiated into the space by an antenna in all directions. So this is the radar uses electromagnetic signal in initial radiated into the space by the antenna. So you are using to the antenna in the all directions. When the signal strikes the targeted object, it gets reflected or radiated. The many directions. Okay, this reflected the signal, it's received by radar antenna. So the radar the some of the signal is here gathering, some of the signal is collecting to the radars. Okay, so that then it is processed and amplified to the determine the geographical statistics of the objects. So the range is determined by calculating the time taken by the signal to the travel from the radar to the target and back. So whatever the signals is here moving, traveling one place to another place is here moving, it's a help to the radar communications only. Okay, it is application. This question is a very important, coming to the 5 marks or 3 marks questions. Okay, so next you see that radar find the extensive application almost all field. A few are mentioned below. In military it is used for the locating and detecting the targets. So military we have to using the radar in the military. Okay, so what happened, that some of things we are using, that we are gathering. Next that bomb, next that bombs also it's here find out that. Okay, so next, okay, so it is used in the navigation systems such as the shipborne, surface search, air search and the missile guidance systems also. So navigation, so we have to use this one, the shipborne, surface search and air search and the missile guidance systems also. Okay, so next you see that next point, to measure the precipitations rate and the wind speed in the meteorological observations. So radar are used. Okay, so next it is employed to the locate and the reuse people in the emergency situation. So it's an emergency situation. So next you see that mobile communication. Mobile communication is used to communicate with the others in the different location without the use of any physical connection like wires or cables. So mobile communication, you know that. So you have mobile and your relation also having that person is in the abroad, means we are connected to the through the, nowadays we are through the calling to through the we are called mobile. Okay. Okay, so next you see it's a wireless or wire cables also you are using. It allows the transmissions over the width range of the area without the use of the physical link. Okay, it enables the people to communicate with each other regardless of a particular location like office, house, etc. It is also provide the communication access to the remote areas. Okay, so this applications the mobile communication application. So it is also the important. Sometimes they are asking to the communications of application of the communication they are asking. So mobile communication, internet, global positions, poisoning, global and agriculture, these applications they are asking to the 5 mark questions. Okay, it is the important questions only. Application. So now you see that mobile communication application, it is used for the personal communication and cellular phones offer the voice and data connectivity with the high speed. So next, transmission of the news across the global is done within the few seconds using Internet of the Things, IoT. It is made possible to control the various device from the signal device also. Example, the home automation using a mobile phone. So enables the smart classrooms online availability. So nowadays we are taking to the online classes. Okay, so that also we are using. So activity, the field of the education. So next you see that internet. Okay, so the internet is a fast growing technology in the field communication. Yes, it is a fastly growing to the communication wherever the world, wherever that persons, you are sitting one place, you are sitting in the one village, you are talk about that person. So that's you are gathering the world news also in the, you are sitting in the one place and gathering to the all world news also, right? So through the internet only. So internet is a fast growing technology in the field of the communication system. With the multiplicated the tools, it provides a new ways and the means to the interact and connect with the people. So next you see that internet. Internet is the largest computer network recognized globally that the connecting millions of the people through the computers. It is find the extensive applications in all walks of life. Okay, so next you see the application. So application, search, this application, internet application, search engine, communication, e-commerce. Okay, so first you see that a search engine. The search engine is basically a web-based service. Tools used to the search for the information on the world wide web also. So next, communication, it helps the million of the people to connect with the use of the social networking, emails, instant messaging service and the social network tools also. So that is a WhatsApp, Instagram, this and all. So e-commerce, the buying and the selling of the goods and service transfer of the funds are done over on electronic network. So that is also that you see example of the Amazon, Flipkart, OLX, this and all. Okay, so next one, global positioning system, global positioning system, GPS. So global positioning system is a short form is a GPS. So stands for the global positioning system. It is a global navigation satellite system that offer the global geolocations and time information to a GPS receiver anywhere on or near the earth. GPS systems work with the assistance of the satellite network. So you see that nowadays some the school buses, school vans, they are fixed to the GPS. So that bus which locations is moving, that and all we have to find out. Okay, so in the satellite broadcast a precious signal like on the ordinary radio signal. The signals that they convey the location data are received by a low cost aerial, which is then translated by the GPS software. The software is able to recognize the satellite, its location and the time taken by the signals to travel from the each satellite. Okay, the software then the process the data in the accepted from the each satellite to estimate the location of the receiver. Okay, so the next one you see that application. The global positioning system is a highly useful many fields such as fleet vehicles management, okay, so wildlife management and the engineering also, so in making the tunnels, bridges, etc. also. So next you see the application of the information and the technology in the agriculture, fishery and mining, okay. So first agriculture, the importance, the implementance of the information and communication technology in the agriculture sector enhance the productivity, improves the living standards of farmers and overcomes the challenges and risk factors. ICT is widely used in increasing the food productivity and farms management. It helps to the optimize the use of water, seeds and fertilizer, etc. The sophisticated the technologies that including the robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images and GPS technology can be used, okay. So geographic information system are extensively used in the farming to the decide the suitable place for the species to be the planted, okay. So next the fisheries, the satellite vessels the monitoring the system helps to the identify fishing zones. Use of the broadcodes helps to the identify the time and the date after a catch, the species name, quality of fish, okay. Mining, so ICT is a mining improves the operational efficiency, remote monitoring and the disaster stockading systems. Information and communication technology provide audio visual warning to the trapped underground the miners. It helps to the connect remote sites, okay. I hope you are understood. Thank you children. This question is a very important one. You study 3 marks come and 5 marks also come, okay. Thank you.